At the morgue in Gwav, the Sworden of 80. Following Hurricane Melissa. In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, the morgue in Gwav has become a place of heartbreak. Families arrived in grief to identify the bodies of loved ones who tragically drowned in the floods. One woman, overwhelmed with sorrow, could not hold back her tears and had to be escorted away as she broke down. Another man, devastated, was consoled by a fellow mourner, repeating through sobs, "You shouldn't have done this to us." These are the real human consequences of a disaster that has shaken our community to its core. The morgue's director, acting with compassion and responsibility, addressed the families. He confirmed that once a body is positively identified as a relative, such as a sibling, he will write an official post-verbal incident report to notify the local authorities. This document will serve as the legal basis for the families to proceed with the funeral arrangements. This moment is a reminder of the urgent need for preparedness infrastructure and coordinated response so that such tragic losses may never happen again. Let us stand together in support and solidarity with the grieving families of Tigrav, the Sworden of 80. So let's watch the video again and see at the beginning so that we could feel what these people are going through. And maybe this video can reach some people who can help, and whatever they can do it very quickly. So let's start this video over.
Étant donné que nous venons en phase quand j'ai avancé dans le processus là, il faudrait-il bien que maintenant c'est avec les parents ou bien le monde qui concerne directement que ils ont traité. C'est pour
So, as you can see, and as I wrote about it in my introduction, this is the morgue's director talking to them so that they could, as they already identified the dead bodies of their siblings, and then he's trying to, write a procedure about an incident report so that the families could do the follow up, okay? Because they have to bury the dead bodies, children and grown up too. And I hope this video could reach where it could reach so that if someone would like to help, go and try to help these people because it's been a while that the hurricane just passed there. And even we, the neighbors, we don't really have the means to do anything, and the authorities are very limited on what they can do, and they are still mourning. Okay, so you can find this video on my platform, TikTok or Facebook. If you want to watch the whole video, you can also request it, and I will share it with you in a private message. So this was Teacher Gesner. See you next for the rest. Bye.